Want to transform your life, grow your wealth, and master success? All while doing your daily routine? Imagine unlocking the secrets of the world's greatest minds, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing. Good news, your first audiobook is absolutely free. Experience best-selling thrillers, powerful self-development, and epic adventures, all in one tap. Start your free trial now. Get unlimited access to thousands of books, only $2/month after your 30-day free trial, and guess what? You can cancel anytime, no risks, no regrets. Click the link below and start listening today. This is why you need to transform your life, grow your wealth, and master success, all while doing your daily routine. Imagine unlocking the secrets of the world's greatest minds, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing. What if I told you that 90% of investors lose money not because of the market but because they pick the wrong stocks? They chase hype, follow rumors, and panic sell at the first sign of a dip. They treat the stock market like a casino, gambling with their hard-earned money. But here's the twist. You don't need luck or a finance degree to pick long-term winners, you just need the right strategy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how smart investors pick stocks that grow year after year with examples you'll never forget. Good news, your first audiobook is absolutely free. Experience best-selling thrillers, powerful self-development, and epic adventures, all in one tap. Start your free trial now. Get unlimited access to thousands of books, only $2/month after your 30-day free trial. And guess what? You can cancel anytime, no risks, no regrets. Click the link below and start listening today. Rule number 1. And this is something I cannot stress enough, invest in what you understand. Legendary investor Peter Lynch, the guy who crushed the market for over a decade, said it best: know what you own, and know why you own it. Before you even think about looking at a stock chart, ask yourself, what does the company do? Do they sell a product, a service, or something else? Is it solving a real problem that people actually care about? And will this company still be around and ideally thriving in 10 years? Take Amazon, for example. They sell products online, offer insanely fast delivery, and run AWS, which is a massive cloud computing service that powers a huge chunk of the internet. It's a simple business model at its core. But the brilliance is that it's scalable, globally. See, when a business is simple to understand and has the potential to grow on a massive scale, that's when you know you might be onto something special. If you can't explain a company to a 10-year-old, you probably shouldn't be investing in it. Keep it simple, keep it scalable. Now let's talk about moats. No, not the ones with water and crocodiles, though those are pretty cool too. I'm talking about a business moat. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, only buys companies with a strong moat. A moat is that special something that protects a company from competition, just like a real moat protects a castle. It's what makes them stand out from the crowd and keeps them ahead of the game. There are a few different types of moats. You've got brand moats like Coca-Cola. Then there's the technology moat, where a company has developed cutting-edge technology that's hard to replicate. Tesla's battery technology and self-driving software are great examples of this. We also have the network effect, where the value of a product or service increases as more people use it. Think Facebook. The more people who use it, the more connected everyone becomes, and the harder it is to leave for a competitor. And that, my friends, is the power of a moat. Okay, so you've found a company with a great story and a solid moat. Fantastic, but hold your horses before you throw your money at it. We need to talk about the financials. Look, a compelling story doesn't mean much if the numbers are trash. You need to make sure the financials back up the story. We're talking cold hard data here. First and foremost, look for companies with consistent revenue growth. This means they're increasing their sales year after year, which is a sign of a healthy business. Next, check out their profit margins. Are they making a decent profit on the products or services they're selling? High profit margins are always a good sign. Now let's talk about debt. Debt isn't always a bad thing, but you want to make sure it's manageable. Look for companies with low debt levels relative to their earnings. And finally, keep an eye on cash flow. Positive cash flow means the company is generating more cash than it's spending, which gives it flexibility and stability. Alright, so we've covered understanding the business, finding a competitive advantage, and checking the financials. Now let's shift our focus to the future. Because when it comes to long-term investing, It's not just about where a company is today, but where it's heading in the next 5, 10, even 20 years. Ask yourself, is this company part of a growing industry? Are they innovating and staying ahead of the curve? Do they have a clear vision for the future that aligns with emerging trends? Think about it. Electric vehicles are a massive trend right now, and it's only going to get bigger. You want to be riding that wave of innovation, not chasing after it. Now, let's talk about the people behind the curtain, because even the most promising business with a killer product and a rock-solid financial track record can fall apart if it doesn't have the right leadership at the helm. A company is only as good as the people running it, so it's crucial to look at the CEO, the founders, and the management team as a whole. What's their track record like? Are they experienced operators who have navigated through challenging times? Do they have a history of making smart decisions that benefit the company and its shareholders? Look for leaders who are transparent and consistent in their communication. Do they own a significant amount of shares themselves? Because that shows they have skin in the game and their interests are aligned with yours as an investor. Have they successfully led the company through tough times, market downturns, or industry disruptions? Look for leaders who are passionate, driven, and have a proven track record of success. Alright, we're in the final stretch here, and it's time to talk about one of the most critical aspects of investing: valuation. Because here's the thing, you can find the most amazing company in the world, with a rock-solid business, a wide moat, strong financials, and visionary leadership. But if you overpay for the stock, it can still be a bad investment. Think of it like buying a house. Let's say you found your dream home in the perfect neighborhood. It's got everything you've ever wanted: spacious rooms, a gourmet kitchen, a beautiful backyard. But the seller is asking for twice what it's actually worth. Would you pay double just because you love the house? Probably not. The same principle applies to stocks. We want to buy great companies, of course, but we want to buy them when they're undervalued or fairly priced. Remember, buying at the right price is just as important as buying the right company. So there you have it, folks. That's how you unlock the secrets of the stock market and set yourself up for long-term gains. Here's your checklist. 1. Understand the business. Keep it simple, keep it scalable. 2. Look for a competitive advantage. Find those companies with a wide moat. 3. Check the financials. Make sure the numbers back up the story. 4. Spot the long-term trend. Invest in companies shaping the future. 5. Trust the leadership. Look for experienced and ethical management. 6. Buy at a smart price. Don't overpay, no matter how much you love the company. Start with companies you already believe in. You use their products, you see their impact, you understand their value, and most importantly, stay consistent. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Invest wisely, stay patient, and let the power of compounding work its magic. Switch to high-energy visuals of book covers and famous authors like Dale Carnegie, Napoleon Hill, and Joseph Murphy. Host, and if you love reading game-changing books, we have an unbeatable deal just for you. Get 4 life-changing books for just $4. How to Win Friends and Influence People. Build lasting connections. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Unlock Limitless Potential. The Richest Man in Babylon. Master Timeless Wealth-Building Principles. Think and Grow Rich. The ultimate blueprint for success. For just $4, you get the wisdom of legends. Don't miss out. Order now. Show limited time offer flashing on screen. Host, don't wait. Success starts with the right knowledge. Click the links in the description, grab your 4-book bundle for just $4 before the deal expires. Show countdown timer effect, and final CTA screen with Start Now button.